Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's get right into what we're talking about today.
Diwali is all about lights, love, and of course, snacks. But if you have PCOS, enjoying festive treats can be tricky. Don't worry, today, I'm sharing 5 healthy Diwali snack ideas that are PCOS friendly, so you can celebrate the festival without any guilt. Who said you can't have your chakli and eat it too? Let's find out how. First on our list is baked methi mathri. Traditional mathri is deep fried, but this version is baked and made with whole wheat flour and fenugreek leaves. The fiber in fenugreek helps manage insulin levels, which is important for PCOS. Plus, baking instead of frying cuts down on the extra oil, keeping it crispy and guilt-free. Next, we have roasted chana and makhana mix. Makhana, also known as fox nuts, is packed with antioxidants and is great for managing weight and insulin resistance, common struggles with PCOS. When mixed with protein-rich roasted chana and spiced with a pinch of masala, this becomes the perfect crunchy snack for your Diwali evenings. Next on our list is a light and crunchy snack, healthy oats chivda. This version is not only healthier than the traditional chivda, but it's also super easy to make. Instead of deep-fried ingredients, we're using roasted oats as the base, which are rich in fiber and great for managing blood sugar levels, especially important for PCOS. Now we have baked sweet potato chips. Sweet potatoes are a great alternative to regular potatoes because they have a lower glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar. Lightly seasoned and baked until crispy, these chips are the perfect balance between healthy and festive. Last on the list is my personal favorite. We have spinach and paneer tikkis. Spinach is rich in iron and fiber, which helps manage blood sugar, while paneer provides protein and calcium, keeping you full and satisfied. These tikkis are lightly pan-fried, not deep-fried, making them a great low-carb, savory snack for PCOS. Think of these as your Diwali power patties, crispy on the outside, healthy on the inside. So, there you have it, 5 healthy Diwali snacks that are perfect for PCOS. You'll find all the detailed recipes in the description box below, so you can try them out and enjoy the festive season without compromising your health. If you're looking for more PCOS-friendly Diwali treats, check out my previous video on PCOS-friendly Diwali dessert recipes.
Watching. Please help us grow and keep bringing you great content. Hit that like button, share this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.